I just wanted to show you how simple it is to do a long curved convex shear on the Ez-vex. Now, some people prefer to do that with an in motion. Either one works the same, it's just fine. You can go in or out. And with running the wheel at a very slow motion, we've removed very little material from the actual cutting edge, but we've generated a burr down the full length of the shear. Now we'll polish that same shear. When polishing, you can just work the shear in and out and get the edge completely smoothed up. And that's all there is to doing the long curved convex on the Ez-vex. I just wanted to show you that long beveled curved shears are no problem on this machine. Just simply set your angle. And we're set and ready to go. Because the face of the wheel is flat, the height does not change the angle. We've got a uniform angle the entire way. Flip the shear over. And once again, I've got to burr the full length of the shear.